Okay, it's February 6th, 2010, and we got a big storm last night, about 2 feet of snow. Everything's all weighed down out there. You can see that those trees that used to stand up are smashed against the ground from the weight of the snow. And we have no power. So here we all are. Mommy, absolutely thrilled. Hi, Wade. Hi, Wade. Hi, VA. What are you doing, VA?
I'm playing to get a puzzle.
Yeah.
Echo.
And since there's no power,
Echo.
there's our heat.
Echo.
You doing the puzzle too, Wade? Good. Is that your UGG? Yeah. Let's go look out in the front. Okay, so there's the neighbor's house across the street. Still snowing pretty hard. There's my car. Can't even identify it. And you can see the depth of the snow here because look at the mailbox. Sitting there in the new snow. So maybe it's more than 2 feet. There's our mailbox. Pretty impressive. Still coming down. And hopefully we're going to have power back on. Streets have been plowed, but you can't really tell.
Yeah.
What's outside, Wade? What do you see?
Lots of snow.
What's this?
Really cold. Where are your shoes?
Camera. Electricity's still not on. It's 4:30 or 5 o'clock.
5:30.
5:30. Fire's been going all day. Wade's been playing guitar. Wade, what do you see outside?
Virginia has been singing all
What do you see outside? What's outside? Snow?
Why do you sing to the camera?
Electricity, come on.
I know. Good.
VA. VA, tell the camera what you want.
We want the electricity to come on.
Well, why isn't the electricity on? Do you know why?
No.
Because of all the snow? Almost 30 inches of snow. So most snow Daddy's ever seen. And probably all of us have ever seen.
But it's not more than the other. Is it more than the other little snowstorm?
Yes. Can you get your picture and show the camera? It's over there by Mommy. Good. What a pretty picture. You want to tell me about it?
Okay.
Here, I can see it. Okay.
This is a little tree. These are little flowers.
Yeah.
And this is the sun, and that's the sky. And that's a little house.
And who'd you make it with?
Nana.
Oh, and you put it
I
in a
made
frame?
it all by myself.
I know. And you put it in a nice frame.
I want to put it up in
And you signed it down there at the bottom?
new room.
Yeah, okay. Well, we'll hang it up as soon as we get a hook. Very nice.
And where is that picture? What did you draw?
A house.
It looks like a sunny house.
Not in snow.
No,
With all those flowers, huh?
it has flowers.
We'll have to wait till spring. It snowed all night and all day, and now at 5:30 here, some clearing skies. But we got it about 30 inches. Here's the shoveled walkway. See, it's like a tunnel in the driveway. There's my car. Can't even barely tell that's what it is. And there's the other houses in the neighborhood. Some folks down there are finally out and about. And here's our house. Look at that snow on the roof. And all the way across, look at that, right up, all of that roof, those roof shingles are just, snow is just totally stuck to them. Icicles. The snow is so heavy on the trees even that you can see a tremendous amount of broken limbs and branches. They just keep falling off. 25 degrees outside and about 62 inside with just the fireplace. We're going to sleep upstairs. Kids on the floor in mommy and daddy's room with the fireplace up there all ready to go for the nighttime. So this is now Wednesday, I guess, February 10th. And the last big snowstorm was on Saturday, just last Saturday, the 6th, I guess. And now this is happening again. This is probably the heaviest snow I think I've ever seen in my life falling. Ann and the kids went down to Jacksonville to escape this incoming storm. So we have 24 inches on the ground, or 27 inches on the ground from last weekend. And now we're getting another 10 to 12 today. And this is just, I mean, you can't even see the houses across the street. 3 or 4 inches an hour of snow, blowing 22 degrees. Never seen anything like this before. So of all these storms, this is the heaviest snowfall rate. The house again covered up. I mean, the snow rate is, I don't know if we can see it on this camera, it's just unreal. So a little bit later here on February 10th, they say it's dangerous to go outside and to stay in your house because of life-threatening conditions. Looks like we've got easily 8 more inches, and it's just blowing around. I'm trying to get some of these blizzard winds on here. I don't know if it can record that or not, but pretty crazy. So we must have a snowpack now close to 3 feet, 35 inches or so. But there you can see some of that snow blowing off the house across the street there. But when the wind picks up, it just blows off the ground, off the houses. It's very difficult to measure. But look across the street, how in the fins of the shutters you can see the snow. It's pretty crazy. So we have power, but if you've lost your power, it could be days because the crews have been taken off the roads, even the snowplow crews. No plowing of the street. Coming off their roof. Power's been flickering. Hoping for the best. I don't know if I can get out of here. I don't know where I'd go. Here's a little picture out the back door. Snow on the table, the grill. Still coming down. I don't know if you can see it in the camera here, but we're blowing off. Tree. Those other little trees over there that stand between our house and Sean's. Pine tree touching the ground, so laden with snow. Look at it up there, up against the house, up to the windowsill. In the window. Look at the snow blowing in my face. Nuts. You hear the wind howling. Can't even see the Sook's house down there. And look, it's blowing around so much that even here on the window, you can't even see out the window.